Hi everyone, welcome back once again to another OSINT video. So this is not a OSINT video, but this is going to be a very important thing. So this is called Hugging Chat. The link is huggingface.co. So this is called as open source alternative of ChatGPT from Hugging Face, which is the company name most probably. This is a little bit slow, and sometimes it does not give you answer of all the question, but it can search web and form answer according to the most recent data which was available on the internet. So by using this you can create a lot of OSINT tool, but the most of thing which are being done by the chat gpt, but the main benefit is you can use it as a chat gpt, and you can get the info from the online portals website as well by enabling the web search option. So this is a kind of game changing thing for the people those who are into cybersecurity. Just use your logic and you will be able to get a lot of things from it. And it's open source. You can check out the link from here. This is the link of the GitHub repo of this Hugging Chat app. So that's very interesting. Just give it a try and you'll be going to will love it very soon. So thank you for watching. Have a great day. Jai.